Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a method where you can make up to about $50 per day, and it's a good method of affiliate marketing that you're going to want to see today. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm kind of anxious to show it to you. It's a pretty easy method and you can be able to get started with it even today right after watching this video. Alright, so first of all, let's get this to-dos out of the way for those of you that are new to my videos or to my channel. Like you see here on the screen, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see here. And if this is your first time here to my videos, or you have been here and have not yet subscribed to my channel, well, reach down there below your video right now, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel for you guys. Alright, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in on this here today. What we want to do is you want to come over to this right here. In this site, you can see you can turn your time into money. And this site, guys, has to do with a lot of surveys and all kinds of different things that you can do to make money on this site. But that is not the real way that I'm going to show you how to make money with this today. This is just one way that you can make money on this site. One of the other ways is lots of, like you can say, you can do sign up tasks, you can complete surveys, uploading videos, and then invite friends, write about us, and all in one. And there's lots of different ways to make money on this site, guys. They have almost 1 million subscribers to this site, you can see here. And there's over almost 7 million tasks completed, and they've paid out about $1.5 million in payments. So let's just check it out and just see how reliable or how legitimate this site is. So if I come over here to Trustpilot, and as you can see, we're here on trustpilot.com, right up here at the top in the address bar. You see it right here. And you can see I've got Paid Arrow loaded up right here, and they've got a 4.7 star rating with Trustpilot out of 4,000 reviews, as you see right here, guys. And you can see the graph right here. And most of the excellent things right here, people really like this site. As you can see, there's all kinds of things here. Paid Arrow is a legit paying website. This was just posted a day ago, and it says here, I just using it for less than a month and have now received my first payout, guys. So you can see that this is a legitimate website to make money with. All right. Now, so if we're coming back here, and it tells us about a little bit why choose them and so on and so forth. But what you want to do is you want to click on this button right here where it says create an account. Now, guys, this is 100% free. This should be able to be done from anywhere in the world. Doesn't matter, just as long as you have an internet connection and a computer, or for that matter, you can probably do it on your phone as well too. But you want to come right up here where it says create an account, where you see my mouse is right here. Click on that. Open this up right here, and you can fill this out right here. As you see, your first name and last name. Your first name, pick a username, put in your email address, and I recommend, because they will pay you by PayPal, so I recommend you use your PayPal email address to sign up with on this site. And then pick a password, confirm your password, and then click the sign up and create your account button right here. And if you look here, guys, you will see right here that they will send you an email confirmation, as you see I have right here. So you want to click on this link to verify and get your account verified, and then it brings you back over and you get verified, and then you just want to sign in and click sign in on Paid Arrow here, and that'll put in here, put your information in here to sign in. Just click sign in, and when you get signed in here, as you can see, it brings you into what like your back office right here, and you can see it's coming up with surveys and stuff that constantly pop up. And if you look over here on the left, guys, you can do all kinds of things, tutorials, submit videos, micro tasks and stuff. You can do all kinds of other tasks and offer Turo, all kinds of things down through here, guys. You see, you can complete surveys and so on and so forth. But that is not the primary way, although you can make money with this. As you can see, they have the paid surveys right here and all these other things that you can do as well. But that's not the primary. No, what we're talking about right here, oh, let me show you this. By the way, you even get 50 cents put into your account already just for signing up on this particular site. All right, this will happen for you as well. But what we're talking about is this right here. their referral program, guys. Right here you can see that they have a referral program, and you can see that right here is going to be your referral link that you refer people to, and you can get paid up to $3 per 1,000 clicks, guys, per 1,000 clicks. I'm going to show you today how you can get several thousands of clicks for this particular referral link or your affiliate link that you see right here. So as I said before, you can make money on this site. This is one way through here, but this is not the way you're going to make most of your money. You're going to make most of your money with your referral link right here. Now you can share it over here. They have places right here that you can share, like Facebook, Twitter, and so on and so forth here. But what you want to do is you want to come over to this site right here. It's called FindaForumnet. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. You can see it's FindaForumnet. And what you can do is this site here has all kinds of forums. If we click on categories here, you can see right here, guys, computers and internet, diet and weight loss, bodybuilding, cooking, make money online, pets, travel, relationships, vehicle, sports. And if we click here where it says browse all the categories, you can see it's got all kinds of different forums down through here that you can work with, and so on and so forth here. But what we want to do is we're looking on the make money, right? So we want to click right here and come right here and choose the make money online forums. And that loads this up, guys, and you can see there are all kinds of people here that are looking to make money online. What you want to do is you want to click on any one of these forums. Like, for example, if we just pick this one right here and click on that, and it should load it up here. And you can see it loads it up, and it gives you a little bit of information about the work at home forum here. And if you can look down through, it talks about some details of it right down through here, guys. And you can see right here that there are over 368,000 members of just this one forum in the Make Money Online category. And if you wanted to go to this forum, you can just come up and copy this link right here, and that will take you over. Now, what you want to do is you don't want to sign into these forums and sign up for these forums and just start posting your link, your affiliate link from Paid Era. Now, you want to spend some time and get to know the people in there, give them some value, and then after a couple of days of getting to know people and let them get to know you, then offer your link to Paid Era over there. Offer your link to Paid Era right here onto the forum in your posts, and they will see that and they will come over and check it out, because then you can tell them that this is a way that you found and you're making money online with this particular site right here, Paid Era. And then they'll come over, click over, and come over and sign up, and you will get a portion of whatever the money that they make. You will make a portion off of that as well. Now, that's one way through FindaForumnet that you can do right here. The other way, guys, that you can make money with this is to come over to this site right here. You can see right up here, it is Addclerks.com. You see it right up there in the top, Addclerks.com. Now, this is not a free method. This is a paid site right here, but it's not expensive, and you can drive a massive amount of traffic with this site. As you can look right here, for example, if we click on the categories right here and we click on affiliate, SEO, and marketing, as you can see, there's all kinds of them right down through here. And click on affiliate, since we're talking about make money online, right? Click on this and it loads these up right here, and you can see that there's 1.2 million impressions, and it's only $15 per month, guys. $15 per month to get your affiliate link from Paid Era onto this particular website right here and drive massive amount of traffic to your link on this. That's just one. What about over here? Here's one for 10 cents, guys, right here. 10 cents for 1,000 impressions on this site that gets 583,000 people coming to it per month. For 10 cents, 1,000, you can drive a lot of traffic to your Paid Era link by coming over here and using Addclerks and sign up and let these people and these websites drive traffic. Look here, $5 per month right here, guys. and it's on for 108,000 people per month come to this particular site. And you can find all kinds of them down through here, guys, that you can sign up with and just pay a little bit of money. As you've seen, like here, $15 per month, guys. What does that amount to? About 50 cents per day, if that. I don't know, something might be too much. But sign up on this site and drive traffic to your paid era affiliate link right here from these two sites. For free, it's going to be FindaForum with thousands of members in these forums. For paid, just a little bit of money, and you can drive heavy traffic and get those 3,000 clicks or 1,000 clicks pretty easy doing it that way. Guys, that's the method I had for you today. That's about 3 ways that you can make money with this site. One is right here. The other was through the FindaForum, and the other one is through Addclerks.com, and you can make money with your affiliate link here on paidera.com. Guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that little notification bell down there below. And also, don't forget to leave any comments down below about this video if you have any, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my free affiliate marketing video that will teach you how you can make massive high-ticket sales in affiliate marketing, you need to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com in the top of my description and come over and see my free affiliate marketing video there that will show you how you can learn to make high-ticket sales with affiliate marketing starting today. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.